Hello everyone, welcome to this new tutorial video by V6 Translation, where we will be talking about the various tags that you can use while you are doing your transcription work. In this video, we will be talking about three major tags known as unintelligible, PII and foreign speech. So first we will be telling you about the PII tag, which means personal identification information. So whenever you do transcription work, remember you are not supposed to transcribe any personal identification information of any speaker whatsoever. So let's say in this audio, in this segment where the speaker speaks, in this segment the speaker says, "My name is John Anderson." So let's say up to here the speaker had spoken, "My name is," and then the speaker said John Anderson. So I'll bring the cursor to the point where the speaker changed this sentence. So here, as you can see, I brought it here, and now I click on this position and I split. So as you can see, I have splitted the audio. So here in the first part, in this part the speaker said, "My name is," and in this part the speaker said John Anderson. So I will type here, "My name is," and I will save it. While in this part I will not type anything, because this is a personal identification information and this has to be labeled as PII. As you can see here, you have to put PII and nothing else. So this is one example of how you have to mark a personal identification information. Now let's suppose in this audio the speaker actually said, instead of saying this, the speaker said, "I am a boy and John Anderson is my name." So let's say in this entire audio the speaker had said, "I am a boy and my name is John Anderson." So let's suppose up to here the speaker had said, "I am a boy." After that, in this part the speaker said John Anderson. So as you can see, in this part the speaker said John Anderson. I will put this as a split, and in this part the speaker said, "Is my name." So on the first part you have to type, "I am a boy." In the second section where the speaker said that his name is John Anderson, you have to mark this as PII, and in the end part you have to type that "is my name." So as you can see, the entire thing turns out to be John, "I am a boy," and John Anderson is my name. So this part I have converted it into PII, because it is a personal identification information, and according to the rules of transcription that should not be a part of your transcription work. So this was all about PII. The next thing that we will explain you about is unintelligible section. So in this part, let's say in this first segment the speaker spoke something that you could not understand. Let's say up to here whatever the speaker spoke you could not follow. Even after reducing the speed or listening to the audio multiple number of times, you could not understand at all what the speaker was speaking. So at that point of time you can put the unintelligible mark in the audio. So if I click on unintelligible, the transcription will not be required, and because you could not understand the transcription. But let's say the speaker spoke for so long, up to this point you understood what the speaker actually said. So you can split the audio here, and this part you could not understand at all what the speaker said. So you can mark this part as unintelligible and type up to what part you could hear. So let's say only this section you could hear. So you can type what you heard in this section, in this part, and the following part you can mark as unintelligible. So that was all about unintelligible. Next thing comes is foreign speech. So whenever you are doing a transcription, some part may occur where the language is not the language that you are doing work on. So in those cases, you can mark here as foreign speech. Here is the foreign speech label. In that case also transcription will not be required because you have marked it as foreign speech. But let's say up to here the transcriber, the audio had been in the language which you understand, and after this point again you could not understand what the language was, or it was in some other language apart from the language project in which you are working. So you can split the audio from here, and the first part you can do the transcription, and the second part you can mark it as, over here you can mark it as foreign speech, and the first part you can do the transcription. So that's all for foreign speech as well. Always remember, when you are working on PII tags, very popular international names like Michael Jordan, Harry Potter, then other popular sports star Cristiano Ronaldo, any other popular names of singers or any other personalities or politicians or country names or any other proper names of famous personalities internationally, those names should be not marked as PII because those are internationally recognized names, and you have to do the transcription if you hear them in the audio. You cannot mark them as personal identification information. That's all about this video. Thank you and happy transcribing.